Donald Trump is replacing US dollars with cryptocurrency. Yes, you heard it right. Your favorite US dollar is being replaced by cryptocurrency. What is the whole matter, how it is converted and how it is replaced? I will tell you in this video. Before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome back to your channel, Fun with Ankur. Here I provide free education for the people of United States in finance. This is episode number 58. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's get started to the topic. The US government is sitting on a mountain of debt nearly 40 trillion. But here is the shocking part. They are no longer just borrowing from countries like China, Japan or the UK to fund their expenses. Instead, they are turning to cryptocurrency companies to bail them out. Yes, you heard it right. So today I will tell you how it is going. Now before you get into the details, find this video helpful, please subscribe. So what exactly is the funda here? Historically, when the US government spent money, it didn't have it borrowed from foreign nations. American investors or it just printed money by Federal Reserve. But lately things are changing. Crypto companies like Tether, the company behind the popular stable USDT, now hold over 100 billion in US debt. In fact, Tether owns more than US debt than countries like Germany or the UAE. This is not happening by accident, it is happening by design. President Trump recently signed a new law called the Genius Act. This law basically requires stablecoin issuer to buy back their crypto asset directly with the US Treasury and the US dollar. In simple words, it is a smart move by the US to artificially create demand for their debt. Let's understand how Tether makes money off this. One QSDT is a stable coin, meaning it is exactly equal to 1 US dollar. People in other nations who cannot easily access physical US dollars buy USDT instead. When you buy 100 worth of USDT, Tether takes your $100 and lend it to US government by buying treasury bonds. The US government then pays treasurer around $4 to 5% interest on their loan. By doing nothing but sitting on their dollar, Tether makes billions. To put things into perspective, Tether had just about 100 employees, but they generate about 10 billion in profit in 2025. That make them one of the most profitable companies per employee in the history of time. But why is US government pushing for this? Three main reasons. Number one, the US is spending billions of dollars every single day they don't have. Number two is traditional tenders are not playing the game anymore. Companies like China are actually selling their US debt. Number three is the US is terrified of de-dollarization. For 100 years. The dollar has been world's reserve currency. If countries stop trusting or trading in dollar, the currency loses its value by forcing stablecoin to buy US debt. They assure a continuous global demand for the dollar. But boss, this comes with a massive risk. If people lose faith in stablecoins, suddenly start selling its USDT, Tether will be forced to dump billions of US dollars. This is the episode that states you that the US dollar has been replaced by crypto, that is USDT. See you tomorrow and hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.